Welcome back friends. Today in this video I will show you how to perform Rota-Adeno stool antigen rapid test. This is the kit, CTK kit, and mostly other companies also if available for this rapid test. Almost same composition, principle and method they will follow. And first of all, this kit containing cards and buffer and literature. This is the buffer in which we will mix the stool sample, and that is the rapid test card, and this is the literature. First I will show you the literature, what's written. If we will see the summary, diarrhea is the third leading cause of death related to infectious diseases throughout the world, and the rate of death due to diarrhea is estimated 1.7 to 2.5 million per year. And rotavirus A is the most common cause of gastrointestinal diarrhea in children under age of 5, and adenovirus type 40 accounts for up to 20% of viral gastroenteritis in young children. So it's very important, if young children have diarrhea, it's very important to diagnose whether it's bacterial diarrhea or viral diarrhea to get the proper medication. Trust principle is that lateral flow chromatographic technique, and you can see it's written Rota-Adeno antigen rapid test is a lateral flow chromatographic immunoassay, and that strip consists of burgundy color conjugate pad containing monoclonal anti-rotavirus antibody conjugated with colloidal guide anti-rotavirus conjugates. And in this, negative and positive control is not available, timer is not available, we have to estimate the time. If we will see the procedure, there are two methods. If the stool is semi-solid or solid or semi-formed or soft, that time you have to take this wooden sorry that stick, collection stick, and with the help of collection stick you have to take the sample. And do not scoop stool sample, ensure that stool specimen is the only groups at the collection stick, and excess stool specimen may contain invalid result. So with the stick we will take the, and try to take the sample from different sides, more than 5 sides, and mix. If the stool is diarrhea and watery stool, then take the 2 drops with the help of dropper and mix into the buffer. 2 drops means 70 to 85 microliter. Shake the buffer vigorously so that it will be mixed properly. And the kit is recommended to store at room temperature, but after mixing buffer, if you are not performing the test same time, that time we can keep the buffer with stool sample at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade for up to 3 degrees days. After that, when first of all we have to keep that kits and specimen at room temperature. After that, according to the consistency of the stool specimen, we will mix, and after we will open the card and add 2 drops, at least 85 to 95 microliter, to the sample well of the device. And do not overload the specimen, and we will read the result after 15 minutes. How we will see the result, I will show you. If the result is negative, then only control line will be appeared. If the result is positive, then there will be other line also will appear with control line. If appearing C and R, it means that is rota virus, and if it appears C and A, that will indicate the presence of adenovirus, and if it will indicate both line, that will indicate the presence of rota and adenovirus. And if only came line in A or R but not came in C, it means that is invalid card, we have to repeat the test. Now I will show you the procedure how we will perform the test. This is the Rota-Adeno antigen rapid test card, and we need one buffer also. And now I will show you the practical. These both things we need, and the need timer is needed, as you can make your time as means if timer is available, otherwise with mobile or whatever is available you can watch set the time. So you have to label this buffer solution, and this is the stick to take the sample, and this is the Rota-Adeno card. So now we will take the sample and we will mix into the specimen, into the buffer. And just mix properly, and I can just keep for 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes also, no problem, just to mix the buffer and specimen properly. After that, just we will add 2 drops in rotaadeno as this patient all have occult blood test also. I already shared you occult blood procedure and practical, so now we will add 2 drops. Now you see, after 15 minutes the result is appeared. There is one line in front of control, means card is valid, and there is one line in front of R, it means the patient have rotavirus diarrhea. His diarrhea is caused by rotavirus, so there is no need of antibiotic, but they need viral treatment. So this practical is and procedure completed here. I hope you understand how to perform rotaadeno antigen test in your lab. It is very easy. If there is any question related to that video or any other topic you want to suggest, please do write in comments box. Thank you so much for your support, and thanks for watching my channel. Take care.